Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to introduce Turkish Kofte Kabab. For this recipe, we need 2 pounds of minced beef, onion 1 finely chopped, salt to your taste, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, parsley leaves 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder half tablespoon, onion powder half tablespoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon. You can mix it well until everything combined together. Let's make the sauce. For that we need water half cup, 2 tablespoons olive oil, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon, ginger powder 1/4 teaspoon, tomato paste 2 tablespoons. Whisk it well. Now the sauce is ready, you can keep it aside. 4 potatoes medium size, cut it into disc, and 2 tomatoes. You can add 2 tablespoons of the sauce we prepared and give it a mix. Drizzle a little olive oil on the bottom of the baking dish. Place the potato and tomato mix in the bottom of the baking dish. Make the kebabs and place it over the vegetables. Now you can add slices of peppers alternatively. Pour the tomato sauce over the meat and vegetables, and then you can cover and bake in the preheated oven for 45 minutes. Then you can uncover and continue baking until all the potatoes are soft. It might take another 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's ready, you can remove and you can enjoy kofte kebab with your favorite dish like rice, grilled vegetable, or here I served it along with the couscous. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.